Hi, today I'm going to do the steps V step and the K step, the sort of letter steps. And those are named because of if you have a marker pen and you draw on the floor, it's sort of the lines between where you're placing your feet, you will see it makes a letter on the floor. Yeah, don't do that, at least not at home. So, okay, the V step. I'll do it with my right foot first. I go out with my right, I go out with my left, I go back to where I started on my right, and then step back together with left, and wait on left. So it's one more time, so it's out, out, together, back, together. One more time, 7, 8, out, out, back, together. And then if you have the marker pen, it looks like a V on the floor. And I do one with this direction as well. So it's out, out, back, together. If I do it with my left, it's out, out, back, together. Then my weight ends on my right. The counting with a normal V step is 1, 2, 3, 4. There's also a variation, as let's see on some steps. It's a V step with a quarter turn. V step with a quarter turn. So I'm going to do a quarter turn, starting on the right. So it's out, out, I turn a quarter to my right, turn a quarter together. So we sort of just bends the V a little bit one more time. So it's out, out, turn a quarter together. The same if people start on the left, is out, out, turn, together. So we turn on the third count. Yeah, that's the counting. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you also might end with a touch at the ending. So it's out, out, back, touch. There's also a variation of the V step. Yes, the K step as well is one of the letter steps. It goes forward on the diagonals. So it's forward right diagonal and back right diagonal. So your weight starts with on your left. You step the right diagonal forward with your right. So it's forward, touch left beside the right. You go back to where you started, back, touch. Then you go back on right diagonal, back, touch, and forward to where you started, forward, touch. So you start with going forward on the right diagonal, and then back on the right diagonal, and forward to where you started. So we end up exactly in the same spot as you started. Okay, one more time. 7, 8, so it's step, touch, back, touch, forward, touch. The counting as well with a K step. 7, 8, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a normal K step. You also have a variation when you do it with your left foot. Then it's sort of called a reversed K. Because yeah, then but the steps are the same. On the left diagonal, left front diagonal, and left back. So 7, 8. So it's forward, touch, back, touch. Back on diagonal, touch, step forward, touch. It's also the same, you end up in exactly the same spot as you started. We're going forward and back and forward on the diagonals. So if you do it on the left, it's sort of a reversed K. And if you're on the right foot, it's a K step. Yeah, I want a mirrored K or something else, yeah, on the left. Mirrored or reversed. So, good luck.